Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Leaply app honest review. Leaply is a self-improvement wellness app offering a subscription service with short science-based techniques designed to reset the nervous system, focusing on breathing, mindfulness, and vagus nerve support. The app presents itself as a daily friendly tool with exercises that are brief yet structured to fit into your routine. The pros include a clear and accessible interface, exercises that are simple and practical for stress, anxiety, or sleep support, and responsive customer support in some cases. However, there are some cons to consider. Subscription and billing transparency can be tricky with initial prices often lower than recurring charges, and some users report difficulty canceling. Additionally, the company is not accredited by major business bureaus, raising some trust concerns. Overall, Leaply is legitimate and can be helpful if used consistently, but users should carefully review subscription terms and manage expectations, understanding that it provides short term, practical wellness routines rather than a comprehensive premium solution. For full details, explore the app and official resources directly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.